We'll go.
Yeah.
Go.
Namaskaram, everybody. Hi,
Namaskaram.
Vittal Rangan. Hi.
Hello, Ka. Hi,
Good
namaskaram.
evening. How are you, Vittal?
Doing good, Ka. How are you?
Yes, I'm good too. So, welcoming all of you to the evening session of day 3. This is going to be a very exciting event. We're looking forward to it, Vittal. You have to explain the event to us. The event is Make Your Own Music. So, it is something special that you have all put up for the carnival, right? இதுக்காகவே you have made this இந்த ஒரு ஐடியா வந்து இதுக்காக யோசிச்சது இல்லையா?
ஆமா. Yeah. So
please explain யாரெல்லாம் involved and also maybe before we let the first participant in, just maybe explain the game so that people get என்ன expect பண்றதுன்னு தெரியணும்.
Sure. I'll just give a brief introduction. So at the very outset, hats off to Sukutam Foundation for curating this amazing fun event, Music Carnival 20. So which has been in a very massive scale and headed by Sangeeta Kalanidhi, Soumya Srinivasanaka and her amazing crew who have been working tirelessly over the past how many ever months or I don't know to put this across together. So we've seen so many new concepts and innovative ideas that we didn't know that existed, like which has culminated over the past few days. And the most incredible thing of this all is the fact that everyone have been working from their respective locations. So that's a great thing. So moving on to this game, as you would all have seen, Make Your Own Music is a single player game where a player gets to choose layers or elements to add to a single composition line. So I'll be playing 1 or 2 avartanams of a composition, a given composition, which is a popular one. And the player has to choose layers on top of it, and he can opt for stacking them up or removing them or whatever sounds good to them. So the objective of this game is to demonstrate the different possible interpretations of melodic and percussion arrangements to a single line itself. And that could also, extrapolating the same idea, you could complete an entire song just with that by combining different elements together. So this game is conceptualized by Sri Sai Rakshit and myself, disciples of Sangeeta Kalanidhi Kumari Kanyakumari ma'am. So we are very happy
nice.
to...
This is really interesting actually. Something that we get to see in studios. அது வந்து ஒரு கேமா யோசிச்சு conceptualize பண்ணி, getting people to அந்த ஒரு experience அவங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கிறதுக்கு it's something really exciting.
Definitely.
And so this is a single player game, yeah? People will be joining us one after the other and
yeah.
Very nice.
So we're super stoked to present this game and hope you all enjoy it.
Yes.
We would be presenting a total of 4 pieces spanning across 15 minutes each for 1 hour. So the first participant we have for the day is Sri Ganapati sir. I am not able to see his...
Oh, so I'll just...
I'm admitting him. Now I'm making it roast with Vittal.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, sir.
Namaskaram sir. Namaskaram Ganapati sir.
Namaskaram Ganapati sir. Hi Bhavya.
Hi, namaste.
So needless to introduce about Ganapati sir, who is himself a great musician, multi-percussionist and producer. And we also have his daughter, Kumari Bhavya.
I think with respect to the carnival also, நிறைய எல்லா கேம்ஸ்லயும் விளையாடி இருக்கான்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Yeah, you played almost all the games in the carnival, right?
அப்பா 2-3 வந்தா join பண்ணிண்டா. I played it.
Nice. So you've been enjoying.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Seri. So shall we get started, Vittal? Is there anything that you have to brief them before they get it again?
So for those who are watching Facebook Live, here are brief instructions as to how we go about playing this game. The participant would be granted access to view the screen of an audio software. We have Logic Pro here. And so we would have the main composition line and 5 types of melodic layering and 5 options in each percussion backing, which is mridangam, tabla, and drums. So the-
Victor, 1 second, sorry to interrupt. Can you
Yeah.
maybe speak a little closer to the mic? I hear that your volume level is a bit low.
okay, just a minute.
It's kind of better now.
One నిమిషం. I'll just. Yeah, is it better now?
Yeah, to me it's better. Yes, definitely.
Okay. Yeah. So I would be previewing each of the tracks, each of the layering to the participant. And then at the end of it, the player gets to choose whatever layers or portions they want to retain or remove, etc. At the end of this, we would have a full arrangement of around 8 bars. So
Okay,
yeah,
nice.
let
So
me.
can they choose the melody that they want, or will you be giving it to them?
No, the melody is fixed actually.
Okay.
So for the first 15 minutes, we would have Srivalli Devasenapate song,
Okay, sorry.
followed by Raghuvanshi Sudha, Sriman Narayana, and Manasa Sancharare.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right. So now it is.
Now it is Srivalli
Srivalli
Devasenapate.
Okay, awesome.
So moving on, I'll just share the screen to you.
Yes.
Can
Are you
you
ready,
enable?
Bhavya and Ganapati sir?
Yeah, Akka, can you just enable the
Yeah. I'm just.
screen sharing?
Yes. Can you try
Okay.
now? Yeah.
Sure. Yeah. Is everyone able to view the software screen?
Yes.
Yes, very clearly.
Okay. Let me do one thing. Okay. Just let me know if you're able to hear the audio.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm just playing the main composition. Yeah.
Yes.
Shall I go ahead with the backings?
Yeah.
Yep. You can.
Okay. So I'll be playing each backing in context with the main melody. So that, yeah. So backing one is this. So feel free to request if you want to preview the track again. Shall I play it again, or can we move to the next one?
We'll move to the next one.
Move to one? Okay. So this completes the melodic part. So probably you might want to note down whatever sounds
You
good to
can
you.
repeat it second.
Yeah. So I'll keep this on and we'll move on to the next one. Next part is drums. The first one goes like. This is drums.
Second will be better.
Yeah, I'll move on to the next one. Mridangam.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. Mridangam. Moving on to tabla.
Okay.
Yeah, this completes all the tracks. Now you can let me know whatever portions you want to choose.
I have a doubt that should we select all the three rhythmic instruments like drums?
No, it's not. It is not really necessary to select everything.
Okay.
Whatever feels good to you. Whatever.
Okay.
Yeah.
I feel
First,
the second track of drum will be better.
Okay.
Mridangam
So
ஒத்துக்கிட்டா.
I'm playing the second backing and the second backing of drums together.
Drums. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
In Mridangam, do you want anything?
Yes.
And you can also combine first portion of, for example, first portion of backing 2 and second of backing 3. So even that is possible.
Okay.
If you want to do that, you can let me know.
I think this would be enough.
This is fine.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Sounds great. Okay, let me just export this.
I think Bhavya is not completely okay with this. அவனுக்கு இன்னும் ஏதோ பண்ணணும் போல தோணுது பவ்யாக்கு.
இல்ல இல்ல
It
I'm
looks like
trying
that to me.
No. Actually என்னன்னா நான் வந்து சொல்ல வந்தது அப்பா சொல்லிட்டா முன்னாடியே, so I wanted to talk first. அதுக்குள்ள அப்பா
Oh, he didn't let you talk.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
But இது ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் கரெக்ட் தான், பட்
Okay.
நான் சொல்ல
சரி,
வந்தது
both of you since you both are playing together, ரெண்டு பேரும் சேர்ந்து ஃபைனலா சொல்லுங்க. If this is the final version.
ஓகே.
Final decision வந்து ரெண்டு பேரும் சேர்ந்து பேசி சொல்லுங்க.
So நீங்க சொன்னா I'll just export it.
Actually, you know what? Both of them had registered for the event. So I said, why play against each other? You're from the same house. Why don't you try it as a team? You're muted, sir. We can't hear you.
I thought I'm supporting her.
Any case, we are going to call you a team.
Okay. No. I don't know. It's an individual thing. Okay, now.
So let's go ahead.
Sounds good. Okay, I'll export this
Yes.
One minute.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I told you, Allah Vittal, Pare. I told you, Bhavya, no, she's not like 100%
I'm
there.
asking him doubt. நான் வந்து இது வெச்சிக்கலாமான்ற மாதிரி தான்
சொல்லு.
Yeah, feel free to ask anything.
ఏమంటే ఇప్పుడు ఆ బ్యాకింగ్ ఉంది కదా అలాగే
For our Facebook audience, I hope you're enjoying the game. I see a lot of encouraging comments. People are enjoying the Natu Bhairavi. So this is in the base track, Kamela. We are going to see how Bhavya and Ganapati sir are giving us the final version of Srivalli Devasenapate for music carnivals. Make your own music.
So I'm just playing the version once, just for the audience.
Yeah, it can be like.
It's good? Okay. I'll just play it once, finally. Okay.
Are you happy, both of you?
yeah
Yes. நம்மளோட audience என்ன சொல்றா? Do they like it? Keep the comments coming in. I'm sure everyone's liking it. Awesome.
I've just saved your track, and we would be uploading whatever the final bounces on Sukutam website. Correct? Huh? Yeah.
Yes, we will do that.
okay
So we're done with the first participant, right? Vittal?
oh
Yeah.
that's it okay
That's it.
No.
Yeah.
எல்லாரும் வந்து அவளுடைய இது பண்ணுவா. Then we'll, as Vittal said, final tracks எல்லாத்தையும் we are actually we had more entries, but in 1 hour we can actually have only 4 people in Gera. ஒருத்தருக்கு வந்து it takes about 15 minutes.
Yeah.
So in the 1 hour that we have, and இன்னைக்கு நமக்கு back to back we are having a lot of events இல்லையா? So in the 1 hourல வந்து we are able to feature only 4 of you, but 8 of them have played it offline, right?
Yeah.
So we will be posting all those videos as well. They've recorded all those Zoom conversations, and we will be posting their tracks too very soon. Okay, so thank you, Bhavya, and thank you,
Thank
Ganapati
you.
sir.
Thank you, Ganapati sir and Bhavya.
thank you
Thank you for this
So
lovely
glad to have
track of Srivalli Devasenapate. Thank you.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed it and you enjoy the other
We
games in the
enjoyed it.
carnival also.
yeah
We
yeah
enjoyed
we
it.
really enjoyed
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Lovely having you. Okay. Bye.
Yes. So the next participant that we have is Anirudh Iyer. I'm just going to.
Okay. Sure.
Can I bring him in?
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Right. So Anirudh Iyer is joining us now.
Okay.
Hello, Anirudh Iyer.
Hi, Anirudh. Are you able to hear us?
Yes. Hi.
Hello. Can you be a little louder, please? You're a little. Yeah.
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
A bit better, but you could be louder, I think. Vittal, is it okay for you?
Yeah, it could be a little louder.
Right.
Hello.
Increase the gain or something. Will be fine.
Yeah. Is this good?
Yeah. Good.
Yeah, much better. Yeah, that's fine. So hello, Anirudh Iyer. Can we just hear a little bit about you? Where are you from? And
Yeah. So I'm a independent music producer from Delhi.
Oh, that's wonderful.
wonderful. We're very glad to have you here.
Yeah, it's a pleasure.
Yes. So your track is going to be
Raghuamsha Sudha.
Raghuamsha Sudhambudhi Chandra. Okay.
Nice.
Yeah.
Have you worked on that song before?
Yeah. I have.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So I have not worked on it. I have heard it a lot of times.
You've heard
and
it. Okay.
I've heard a lot of renditions of the same.
Okay. That's nice. That's very nice. So we look forward to what you're going to give us
Sure.
in this 15 minutes that you have.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Awesome. So Vittal, you can get started.
Yeah, we can get started. Okay. So, so by now you would have already read the rules as
Yep.
to how we go about this game. I'll just preview one by one the tracks.
Right.
So first, starting with violin.
Okay.
Is it audible?
Yes.
This is the Chittaiswaram of Raghuvamsha Sudha.
Yeah.
And then I'll just play the backing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in that order.
Okay.
Along with the violins.
Okay.
I'll move on to the next one. Let me know if you
Vittal,
want to.
Victor,
Yes,
sorry
Akka.
to interrupt.
Yeah.
I just have a small idea. Now there are a lot of people who are watching us on Facebook.
Okay.
So as you play each of the samples,
Okay.
can I just request our lovely audience to comment what they feel, which is their favorite as well, right?
Definitely,
And let us see if it matches with what Anirudh is giving us. Can we do that?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay,
Yeah.
because Anirudh will not be able to see the comments on Facebook, but I am looking at it.
Sure.
So let's see what the audience have chosen, and let's see what comes to us finally.
Yeah, you could probably have a note of whatever they're asking.
Yeah, I will do that. I will do that.
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Sure.
So audience, now I want you all to start commenting as you hear every sample that's being played. You can let us know which one sounds really nice to you, which one you think is your favorite. Okay. Okay, we can try that now. Let's see. Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's start.
Yeah.
So I'll start with backing 1 again, just for the audience. Going to the second one. Fifth one. So these are the 5 backings.
Yep.
In melody. So let's move on to the percussion side of it.
Okay, now this is really interesting.
Okay.
I'm getting feedback from the audience, and I've already gotten some. Yeah, and you know what? It's very interesting. It's quite similar what they are telling us.
Oh,
Excited, but I'm not going to reveal it to you.
okay. Great. Yeah.
Let's wait for the final result and watch. I'm going to note this down. This is all fun for me
So yeah, we'll do the final arrangement of the audience in the end.
as well. Yeah, good idea. Let's do that.
So, this is Mridangam. And moving on to drums. we are just done with drums. Let's go to the tabla. Yeah. Okay, we're done previewing all the tracks. So, Anirudh, you can just let me know whatever portions you want to select.
Okay, so from the backing tracks, I'd like the guitar, the third track. Yeah.
Okay, so let me just play that together.
Yes. Can I hear the
Okay.
bass EP
With the guitar or without the guitar?
without the guitar?
Okay. You can also feel free to select parts of portions, parts of the backing. You know, first
Right.
part of backing 1, second part
Yeah.
of backing 2, etc.
Okay.
Let me know if you want to do that as well.
Okay, then I'd like to go for first portion of the guitar and the second portion of the bass EP.
All right.
Let's hear that out.
Sounds good?
Yeah.
Okay. And anything from the percussion?
Mridangam, let's go track number 3.
Track number 3. Okay. Let's hear it out.
Okay. Can I hear the track number, the next track? 4.
With the third or without the third?
No, without the third. Yeah, let's keep this.
Let's keep the entire thing?
Yeah.
Okay. And drums and tabla.
Drums, I'd like to go track number 3. Oh no, track number 4.
Track number 4. Okay.
Yeah. Can we remove the mridangam?
Remove the mridangam?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll just have drums. And do you want tabla?
Let's hear this first and then
Okay.
we can.
Yeah.
I just want to hear track number 2 on tabla. That's all.
Okay.
So can we mute the first portion in this track?
In tabla?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So people, we have Anirudh's version of Raghuvamsha Sudha. Here it goes. So that was great, isn't it? Dhyaka.
Yeah, I loved it. Sounds good. Very nice.
Yeah.
So
So,
we've had so many comments from the audience also. They were so excited to listen track
Oh,
after
is
that.
it?
Oh, now we can participate as well. They all jumped in and like we have like it kept on
amazing.
coming. I'm trying to write down everything and it's like it's going really fast.
Yeah.
It's
So
wonderful.
before we arrange
The
according to the
snare
audience.
sounds very good.
Oh, okay.
Soumyaka is saying the snare sounds good, and we have we had comments like, "Oh, can we mix up two tracks? I never knew that." So first, before you opened up that option, people were thinking about one whole
Yeah,
track.
yeah.
So they, oh, no, we know this. So we had like I got some equations for the first this one, yeah, this plus this half, this plus. It's really nice. I mean, I'm sure backing 2 and backing 5 along with, so like it's really
Oh,
nice.
okay.
Yeah, so they're quite
So
excited as well.
before
can
we
you-
move on to audience's preference of arrangement, let's just export Anirudh's track,
Yes.
and then we'll move on to the next section. So I'm saving it here.
Actually, there are varied responses. Like a lot of people are suggesting
Oh, okay.
நிறைய interesting நிறைய வருது. So maybe we can collate everything and put
Yeah,
up separate track.
Definitely.
Audience poll 1, 2, 3. We can do this.
Yeah. So you want to do it in this session?
Imbar
this session?
Kannan Anna is watching. He's joined us. He's saying it's very interesting. He's saying Kannan Anna
Thank you,
actually
Anna.
tried out this game before the carnival and he gave the promo for this game. We were so happy. Thank you so much, Kannan Anna. We're so glad that you're watching it.
We are thankful for his inputs as well.
Yes,
Kannan
thank you,
Anna's
Kannan Anna.
Thank you, Anna. So do you want to do this audience arrangement now itself, or?
No, we can go on to the next participant because I think
Okay.
we'll be short of time. We have other events
Yeah.
as well.
So that's what I thought.
I've been noting down the preferences as well. So
Okay.
we'll put up specific audience tracks.
Sure.
later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That sounds good. So I'll move on to the next track, which is Sriman Narayana.
Okay, so we have to call in the next participant, right? Anirudh,
Yeah.
Anirudh Rushan. Okay, thank you so much, Anirudh. We hope
Thank
you
you,
had
Anirudh.
fun.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I had a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you, Anirudh.
Thank you
So
so
we're
much.
just going to have the next participant now. Ramya is in the queue for the next show. Just a minute while she joins us. Hello, Ramya. Good evening.
Hello.
Hello,
Hi,
Ramya.
good
Hello.
evening.
Good evening.
Hi.
Hi, good evening.
Yes, can you hear us? Good evening. You're
Yes,
loud and
yes,
clear.
very happy to be joining this.
Absolutely, we're thrilled to
Okay.
have you as well. Can we hear a little bit about you? Where are you from, and do you already have any experience in music production or?
Not really music production, but I've been learning and teaching a bit.
Nice.
So I'm from Singapore.
Nice.
Oh, okay.
Also, we have India, Delhi, and Singapore, everything in this 1 hour. Nice. That's nice. Awesome.
It's amazing.
Yeah, I've been following all the events of this carnival, and it's very interesting.
Thank you so much, and we're glad that you're a part of it now. Are you ready for your track?
Sure.
Okay. And our Facebook audience, you know what you have to do. The next song that is coming up for you all, along with Ramya, is Sriman Narayana. So let's look at
Yeah.
Ramya's arrangement of Sriman Narayana. Yes.
Yeah. It's going to be
And audience, let's see how many of you match with Ramya's choices as well.
Yes.
Keep the comments coming in.
Yeah. So Ramya, you already know the rules, right? To play this game.
Yeah, kind of. I was listening to Kadana Kudukulam for some time.
Okay. Wonderful. So let me just.
Bicycle Ramya, all the best. So everyone wishing you Ramya. Here's all of us are wishing you as well.
Thank
Good
you.
luck
Thank you so
and
much.
Enjoy the session.
Sure.
Yeah.
Look.
So I'll move on to the first main composition line. Sriman Narayana in Ragam Bauli. basic line on which we are going to add layers.
Okay.
Is the audio clear enough?
Yes, very much.
Yeah, that's amazing. I'll play the first backing. We're done with melody.
Yeah. I like the backing one.
Okay, so let's keep it for now,
Yeah.
and we'll come to the mixing part later.
Yeah.
Moving on to Mridangam,
Okay.
playing the first.
Victor, we have a small feedback.
Yeah, sure.
Maybe the violin track volume can be reduced a little bit.
Oh,
Is
right.
the feedback.
Okay.
A little bit.
Sure thing.
Yeah.
I'll play it now. Is it fine? Sorry?
They want you to reduce a little more.
The violin, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I think when it goes out in the...
Oh, okay. Let me reduce it further. Is it okay now? Increase a little. Moving on to drums.
Okay.
So this completes drums. And let's move on to tabla. fifth one. Yeah. Before we move on to the mixing, let's just play all the 5 melodic backings, so that I think the audience was saying the violin was louder. So
So now they say it's perfect. They're very happy
Okay.
now. Yeah.
So just in any case, I'll play the
Yes,
play
sure,
the 5
sure.
backings so that
Yeah.
you could hear it better. Okay. Let me know what do you want to arrange.
I go with backing 1.
Okay, sure. And also feel free to select parts of backings. You can select the
Okay.
first part of backing 1 and
Sure,
second
sure.
part of something else.
We just have
Feel free to do whatever.
somebody from. We just have
Actually,
an audience who's commented backing 1 is really nice, and
Okay.
at that very moment she's also choosing the same thing.
and
Wow.
can you take the second part of backing 2 and add it
Yeah.
along?
Yeah, that's possible. Okay. And you want to retain the entire backing 1?
Yes.
Okay.
I just want to hear how it is.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, it's good.
Sounds good.
Mm.
And moving on to percussion.
Percussion, I felt 18 was good. It was like quite low key calibrate.
Okay, sure.
Mm.
This sounds good.
This is
Actually, the
amazing
other
for me, Ramya. Sorry to interrupt you, but this is amazing. The same thing has happened again. We just have one Mr. Srinivasan who has just said 1 and 18, and you're saying you want to choose 18.
What a
glad.
coincidence.
I know, an unbelievable coincidence.
Actually, the
Yes,
other
now-
mridangam parts, can you play it? Because when
Yeah,
earlier
yeah.
I couldn't really figure out the differences
That's okay. Yeah,
much.
no problem. Yeah.
Okay.
And then the other parts.
How
Okay.
about we keep first part as 9 and the second part as 18? Or
Okay.
even both, I don't know how would it sound.
Okay.
Together.
First part of 9,
And second part is
second
18.
part of 18. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah, I'm playing all that.
No need. Can you just make it 18 itself?
18 alone?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Isn't.
Yeah. And then the
Then
next
this hip hop one, can you?
Hip hop.
Yeah.
Okay. This is okay?
Yeah. And the tabla, fifth one.
Fifth one. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
Done?
Drums, I'm not sure. I can try. You can try.
Okay. You want to try some more?
No. It's done, right? Drums, tabla.
Yeah.
ஆச்சு அவ்வளவுதான்.
Avladana? Okay.
It's good.
So, folks, let's hear out Ramya's arrangement of Sriman Narayana once for you. It sounded awesome.
Thank you.
Great. And we also have,
Yeah.
wow, very nice and all from the audience. So
Yeah,
they're quite
thanks.
happy as well. And you chose most of the things that they chose.
Wow, that's nice.
On the
It's very
side track,
interesting.
there were some contradicting, they were having their own party. No. See, you should, this sounds better. They were having their own little conversation
Actually,
there.
yeah, if we explore more and more, no, we will find out more
Yeah.
different lovely combinations.
Yes.
But
This
it
is just a sneak peek into that experience.
just
and
what
I'm so glad.
sounded immediately nice. That's it. Yeah.
Yeah, the more
Thank you
interesting
so much,
part,
Ramya.
and the more interesting part is, how each element enters and exits.
Yeah.
It has
Yeah,
its
it's
own journey in
beautiful.
the song. So,
Right.
yeah,
Right.
Yes.
very
So
interesting.
Thank
much
you so
goes
much.
into the production. I mean, it's
Yeah,
nice
definitely.
to.
Thanks,
thank you.
Ramya. Thank
Thanks
you.
for
It
having
was
me.
nice having you here. Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Having you.
Same. Thank you so
Bye
much.
bye.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank
Enjoyed
you,
it.
Ramya.
I
Thank you,
enjoyed it.
Ramya.
Yeah. Bye.
Thank you. Pleasure was ours. Thank you. Bye.
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 So we have our next participant who's ready.
Yeah. Okay.
And, that is Sanvi Ramachandran.
Sanvi Ramchandran. Okay.
What's the next track, Vikal?
Next track is Manasa Sancharare in
Oh,
Raga
Manasa
Sama.
Sancharare. Okay, nice. Hello, is that Sanvi?
Hi, Sanvi.
Hi, Sanvi.
Yeah.
Can you be a little loud? We can't hear you.
Are you able to hear us?
It's very feeble, sir.
Oh, no. Okay. Sir, you have to speak little loud and bold.
Hi.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Did you eat?
Just woke up. We all just woke up.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Oh, you're in a
So,
different time zone. Okay. Okay.
where are you
we-
from?
Thank you so much. We are from Cincinnati. And,
Wow.
and
Wonderful.
yesterday we love you watching your skit. It was awesome.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You're amazing. You always see you listening to your singing. This is the first time
Oh.
transformations watching you playing the skit.
Thank you so much. So nice. Thank you so much. And
Thank
very nice. We've had 4 participants from 4 different places in this 1 hour slot. That's very interesting. I think it's quite coincidental that it worked out that way. So, Sanvi, we're looking forward to
Yeah.
what you're going to do with Manasa Sancharare track, right? There are so many people
Yeah.
watching along with us and they're waiting to see, hear your track as well. We have a lot of Vidwans also watching. I saw that Sriram Parthasarathi Anna was watching and Veenay Kannan Anna is watching. Namaskaram to all of you. Everybody, all the Vidwans and the Rishis who's watching and the Rasikas. It's absolutely, we're very delighted that, like so many people are giving us such warm feedback. And yes, the audience, they're also ready to arrange their own track
Yeah.
now.
Yeah. So
Yes.
I can't wait to hear that out.
Absolutely. So let's get started with Sanvi,
Sanvi,
right?
so
Good luck,
Sanvi.
Sanvi.
Good luck, Sanvi. So Sanvi is going to be the music producer for this session.
Yes. Bring it on.
Yeah. So Sanvi, you already know the instructions, right?
Can you explain me the instructions one more?
Okay. So I'll play each of these tracks to you. We'll have a main composition line and then surrounding layers on top of it. So 5 melodic layers, 5 mridangam, 5 tabla, and 5 drums. So you can choose each of them, and also you can select part of them as well.
Yeah.
Okay. So let me know if you're able to hear this audio. Okay. Just one line. We're going to improvise on this. So let me play a backing one. Is the violin and backing levels okay, Vidyaka?
No, I think you can keep it the way you did for the last one. Is it louder than that? A little bit, I think, yeah, because we already have a message saying, can you reduce it a little bit?
Yeah, sure. I'll do that.
Yeah, thanks.
Second one. Okay. We are done with backings, melodic backings. We'll move on to the mridangam. Third one. And tabla. completes the playback of all the audio tracks. So Sanvi, so you're going to arrange this song. Let us know what portions do you want to retain and which one do you like? Sounds good together, etc. Whatever you feel good.
Sanvi, have you heard this song before? Do you know this? Sanvi, we can't hear you at all. Vital, can you hear her?
No, I'm not able to hear. Can you be a little bit louder?
I've heard it before.
You heard it before.
Heard it before,
I
okay.
think you should have breakfast, Sanvi. Did you have milk at least? Yeah, can you speak a little loudly here?
I like backing 3.
Backing 3.
Backing 3, wonderful. Okay, I'll play it for you. Oh, sorry. Yeah. And any other backing do you want to add to this? I didn't hear you.
Can I listen to backing number 4 again?
Okay. So I'm muting backing 3 just for the playback. Which one do you want?
I'll do backing 3.
Okay. So you want the full of backing 3 or the first portion or the second portion or both? You can do that as well.
Can I just have the first 2 portions?
The entire backing 3, right?
First 2 portions.
First 2 portions. Okay. It's technically the entire thing, no? Okay.
Yeah.
So for Mridangam?
Can I hear Mridangam too?
Yeah, sure. Want to retain this?
Sanvi, are we going with this?
Yeah.
You want to listen? Yeah, we're going with this. Okay, nice.
We'll go with this.
Nice.
Yeah. Next, tabla.
I listen to tabla 3.
You want to listen to all the tabla tracks?
No, tabla 3.
Tabla 3, okay.
That's good. We just had somebody comment.
This sounds good.
Yeah.
Okay. And for drums, which one do you want to select?
Can I have the Benny?
Sorry, I didn't hear it. Benny, okay. Revisited.
Yeah.
That one. Anything else do you want to add?
No.
No? Okay. So let's hear out Sanvi's version of Manasa Sancharare.
Are you ready, Sanvi?
Yeah, this is Sanvi's version. Let me just-
Do you like it? You're happy with it?
Yeah, thank you.
Awesome. That's so nice. We're so happy that you joined us here today, Sanvi. Thank you so much.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram. And please go have breakfast. So nice that you joined us from Cincinnati. Cincinnati, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Great job. Thank you,
Wonderful to have you.
Sanvi.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks for the opportunity.
Oh, you're welcome. We loved having you here.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Sanu.
So, Vittal, we have done with
Yes, sir.
all the 4 participants for
Yeah.
today.
Yeah, we've done with all. And the
Fine.
audience arrangement, do you want to do it now?
No, I have taken a note of all I've taken a note of all the comments.
Okay, sure.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's going to take a lot of time because you
Yeah,
know what,
yeah,
there are so many preferences
Yeah.
for so many people, and so we can give them the tracks. You know, we'll
Yeah.
put everything together, and
Yeah.
let's call it audience version of all the 4 songs. Can I do that sometime later? Like
Definitely. Yeah.
at the earliest we'll do that. So the audience have absolutely loved it. They were so thrilled that they could be a part of this as well. And you know what? They have some really specific choices as well. So இதோட first part, இதோட second part ஓட தான் சேரணும். இந்த இடத்துல எனக்கு எதுவுமே கேட்க வேண்டாம், எனக்கு plain ஆ இருக்கணும், அந்த மாதிரிலாம் நிறைய comments வந்திருக்கு. So I'm going to send that whole list to you. And
Definitely. Yeah.
okay, we look forward to those tracks as well. எப்படி இருக்க போகுது
Sure.
audience tracks பார்க்கலாம். Very nice.
I just wonder how many versions of each song would we be having and
That's the beautiful
Yeah.
part, right? In the track section,
yeah.
எவ்வளோ different versions
ஆமா.
அவங்களோட creativityல வருது அப்படிங்கிறது.
Yeah.
So I think that point has come across really well, and I'm sure the viewers have been enjoying this session. And we have only we could schedule only 4 participants here because we had only just 1 hour here. And as I said, the other participants have also played, and Avaluடைய tracks will be uploaded soon. Thank you so much, Vittal Rangan.
Thank you,
This was
Akka.
so interesting. எல்லாருக்குமே ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது to do something like this because it's probably not something that everybody gets to do, right? To pick and
So in
choose and
fact,
arrange your song.
in fact, in
Maybe
the
you
process.
can stop sharing your screen.
Yeah.
We will see you in a bigger screen.
Oh yeah. Okay. So in fact, in the process itself, we learned a lot. You know how to add layers and stuff. You know, while
Very
creating
nice.
the
It was-
content itself, that was challenging.
Wow. Very nice. We're so happy that you came here for this session, and also you also did the other sessions with all the other participants.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, and great job by your team. The idea, the conceptualization, and
Thank you.
everybody who helped you, who played these tracks for you in the samples. So thank you so much to everybody
Thank you.
who has given us this lovely game, and on behalf of our audience also.
Thank you.
So, to our lovely audience, we still have 2 more events for the day. We have the grand game of Jeopardy, where அதுல என்ன ஒரு பெரிய இதுனா, இப்போ நம்ம கார்னிவல்காக so many of Vittal Rangan மாதிரி so many other நீங்க பார்த்திருப்பீங்க எல்லாரும் எப்படி வந்து interesting games they have put together. So now it's their turn to be the participant and answer, and we can watch them.
Yeah,
We're so
forward to it.
excited. Yeah, we're so excited to have you all.
Yeah.
I mean, we're going to see everybody in that game, and we're so thrilled. We can't wait for it. That game is going to be at 7 p.m. and it's going to be hosted by none other than Dr. Soumya. So we're very happy that Soumya is hosting that game, and you guys all are going to be in that game. So, but before that, we also have one more video coming up. You've already seen that, but by popular demand, we want to play that video, publish that video again for you. The puppet show by the kids, which was premiered on the first day of the carnival. So many people liked it, and they asked if we could publish it again on our page. So before Jeopardy, like say in a few minutes from now, you can watch the puppet show again on our Facebook page. And don't forget to go and play the games on our site. The Meld card game is out, and I hear so many people have tried out that game and they absolutely like it. Did you try that, Vittal?
Illa, not yet. I still have to.
You must have been busy with this event, Katalenu, so definitely try it out after Jeopardy or before, whenever. So all of you, please do go to the website and online games in the page. You can find all our games in that. Please do try out all the games and watch the puppet video again, and come back at 7 p.m. for the grand game of Jeopardy. And at 9 o'clock, we have the valedictory function. with Padma Bhushan Sudha Raghunathan and Nitish Mahadevan. So we're excited. We're totally overwhelmed with all the love and warmth that
So I
we've
guess
been receiving.
I guess that would be followed by Panjuvarna's dinner.
Yes, we could all have a good dinner like that, right?
Yeah. You know.
Anyway, thank you so much, Vittal. It was a fun
you,
session. We really liked it. Thank you for being here. Thank you, audience, and we'll see you soon at the next event. Catch you soon. Thank you.
Sure. Yeah. Thank you.